Hi guys! So we're back again with another fragrance haul, and this time we got it from Fresh sa Abriza Mall. Balita ko this is vintage. This is pre-reformulation perfume. So what we got here is the Angel by Thierry Mugler. This is actually the refill bottles because ito lang yung merong pre-reformulation. As you can see, it still says Thierry Mugler. Instead of Mugler lang, di ba? So ayan, unbox natin together, you guys. Oh my god! Actually, this fragrance was already reformulated for a dozen of times na. So what I got here was really the old batch. See? It still has the code, you guys. Syempre, tago natin. And ayan. Let's see. Oh my god. Again, this is a refill bottle. So we have a funnel here. And here's the bottle. Ooh, Angel by Thierry Mugler. Oh my god. So i-flash na lang po natin yung notes sa screen. So ayan, as you can see sa notes, we have here a tons of notes, you guys. I can definitely smell the patchouli. Yung patchouli talaga yung strong. And then, it also has like a chocolate note to it. So kaya siya tinatawag na gourmand. Kahit refill bottle lang to, ilalove ko pa rin to, no? Ano ka ba? Syempre, hindi mawawala. Bumili din tayo ng panglalagyan ng decant, no? Ayan, open muna natin siya, guys. Sabay-sabay po natin siyang i-refill, mga naka. Got it. Boom. Ang bango niya talaga, guys. It doesn't smell dated, but it really smells very unique. Very patchouli, very earthy, very, alam mo yun, yung parang amoy lupa, pero in a good way. I can definitely also smell like a sweetness to it. Feeling ko, this is from the cotton candy note. Ang bango niya, I swear. So, ayun. Again, this is Angel by Thierry Mugler.